Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're switching gears a bit and diving into something that's just as important for your beauty rest as your skincare or makeup: a solid foundation for your bed. We're reviewing the signature Design by Ashley low-profile, ready-to-assemble metal foundation in queen size, black finish. This product promises to provide sturdy, durable support for your mattress with a sleek, low-profile design that suits modern bedroom aesthetics. Let's see how it performs beyond the specs. Right off the bat, this foundation is designed with a metal frame instead of the traditional wood. That means it's built for durability and longevity, which is crucial if you want a base that won't sag or warp over time. The dimensions are pretty standard for queen beds: 60.58 inches wide, 79 inches deep, and a low-profile height of 5 inches. The low height is perfect if you want that minimalist, close-to-the-floor look without sacrificing mattress support. It also features a removable fabric cover and rounded corners, adding a safety touch that's thoughtful, especially for smaller rooms or kids' bedrooms. Putting this foundation into my routine was quite straightforward, though I did find that having two people definitely speeds up the assembly process. The instructions were clear, and all hardware and tools came included, which is always a bonus. Once assembled, the frame felt solid and didn't creak or wobble when I tested it out. It's compatible with most mattress types: memory foam, plush, or hybrids, which is great for versatility. One thing I appreciated during real-life use was how stable it made my mattress feel. Sometimes box springs or flimsy foundations can cause the mattress to shift or feel uneven, but this metal frame held everything firmly in place. The low profile also means it works well with bed frames if you want that sleek look, and it's a lot easier to clean under the bed without having to lift a bulky wooden foundation. That said, there were a couple of things to note. The metal edges, although rounded for safety, feel cold and hard compared to wood. So if you have pets or kids who play near the bed, some extra padding might be a good idea. Also, while the removable fabric cover is nice, it didn't add much to the aesthetic appeal. So if you're looking for something that doubles as decor, this foundation keeps it simple and functional. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the build quality is impressive. Metal construction definitely gives this foundation a durability edge over wooden alternatives. The low-profile design is sleek and practical, fitting well with modern bedroom trends. Assembly is straightforward with everything included, which means less stress for you. And the safety features like rounded corners are a thoughtful addition. On the downside, it's a bit heavier to move around because of the metal, so once it's set, you probably won't want to shift it often. The fabric cover is purely functional and doesn't do much to enhance the look. And depending on your bed setup, the low height might be too close to the floor if you prefer a taller bed. As for value, this foundation sits in a reasonable price range considering its metal build and thoughtful design features. While wooden foundations can be cheaper, they often don't last as long or provide the same level of mattress support. If you're after durability and stability, this is a worthy investment. On the flip side, if budget is tight, more affordable wooden options exist, but with some trade-offs in longevity and sturdiness. Compared to other foundations in the market, especially those with wood frames or thicker profiles, this product stands out with its minimalistic height and metal durability. It's not trying to be fancy or flashy, it's practical and built to last. So if you want a no-nonsense, robust base that won't interfere with your bed style, this is a solid pick. The packaging was compact, and the materials felt sturdy throughout. In terms of longevity, metal frames like this typically hold up well over years of use without the sagging issues wood sometimes encounters. So you're likely to get good mileage out of it. I haven't had direct experience with the brand's customer support, but Signature Design by Ashley generally has a positive reputation for helpful service, which adds some reassurance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are cheaper wooden foundations and platform bed frames, but keep in mind you may compromise on durability and mattress support. For those prioritizing long-term use and a sleek profile, this metal foundation justifies the cost. So if you're wondering whether this Signature Design by Ashley low-profile metal foundation lives up to expectations, it does. It's best suited for anyone who wants a sturdy, long-lasting bed base without the bulk of traditional box springs. Plus, the low height makes it perfect for modern bedrooms or anyone who prefers their mattress closer to the floor. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've already tried this foundation, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing what you think. And until next time, thanks for tuning in. Stay beautiful inside and out.